Welcome to the CA-UIM License Management and Admin Console video. In this video, I will show you how to manage your CA-UIM licenses using the Admin Console for CA-UIM 847. As a CA-UIM product administrator, you'll have to manage both Hub and Probe licenses. You can use Admin Console to add new licenses or update them as they expire. Before I show you how to manage licenses in Admin Console, let's go over the different types of licenses you will encounter in CA-UIM. Hub licenses are assigned to individual hubs in your CA-UIM environment. Hub licenses also apply to core probes such as Discovery Agent and Data Engine. Each hub license also limits the number of robots that you can deploy under a given hub. Probe licenses are required for the individual monitoring probes that you use. Probes like Apache, SNMP Collector, and Logmon require a probe license. If you don't have the licenses that you need, or your licenses have expired, contact a CA support agent using support.ca.com. When you navigate to support.ca.com, select Resources, then Licensing on the next screen. This ensures that your request is routed correctly. Now let's start by adding a hub license. When you first log into Admin Console, the primary hub is selected by default. If I needed to update the license for a different hub, I would have to select the hub from the left navigation pane. Note that the License section of the Hub screen shows the expiration date of the license, along with the number of supported robots left. To update the Hub license, I click on the Actions button in the upper right corner of the Hub screen. Then select Configure Hub License. The Configure Hub License dialog then opens. From there, I can paste my license into the License field and save the new license. I could have also configured the Hub license by clicking on the Configure Hub License icon on the Hub Info tab. Next, I will show you how to add a new probe license or update a probe license that has expired. First, select the hub where your probe is located. Then select the Licenses tab. The Licenses tab contains a list of all the available probe licenses. I can use the expiration column to check and see which of my probe licenses are close to expiring. If a probe has an expired license, it will no longer send Quazmetrics. So it is important to check the Expiration tab and ensure that none of your licenses are out of date. To add a new probe license or update an expired license, click Actions, Add Licenses. I can then paste my probe license in the window that opens. This window allows me to paste in more than one license at a time. I click Add when I'm done adding probe licenses. If my licenses are valid, the Licenses Added Successfully dialog appears below the Actions menu, and the new probe licenses are added to the Licenses table. Finally, I will show you how to remove probe licenses. If you are no longer using a probe, you can remove the old license using the Licenses tab. To do this, I select the checkboxes next to the probe licenses that I want to remove. Then click on the Actions menu and select Delete Licenses. A confirmation box opens where I can review my selections and confirm the deletion. Clicking Yes removes the probe license and returns me to the Licenses tab. For more detailed information about Admin Console, refer to the CA DocOps platform, or visit the CA-UIM community to join in the discussion. The links can be found in the YouTube description located below this video.